Do you feel shame or self-doubt like a hidden echo chamber beneath your ribs, quiet, dim, and persistent, not loud enough to startle you, but always humming beneath your confidence? I'm Leanna, your gentle guide for this story meditation. By the end of this session, you will feel clearer, steadier, and freer, as if that echo has dissolved into open, honest silence. Take a slow breath in, letting your chest open fully. Exhale softly, noticing the tension shift, the echo losing its grip with every breath. Imagine stepping into a vast hall of forgotten voices, an ancient circular chamber carved from luminous stone. The air glows with pale silver light. Around you hang translucent orbs, each one holding a whisper of past self-judgments, old criticisms you absorbed, and unspoken fears of not being enough. Breathe in gently. As you exhale, say inwardly, I meet these old doubts with clarity, and they lose their authority over me. Take another soft breath in. Think gently as you breathe out. I choose to understand the story beneath each fear, instead of letting it shape my identity. Inhale slowly, filling the base of your lungs. Repeat within as you exhale. I no longer treat outdated beliefs as truth. I allow myself to grow beyond them. Lift your gaze to the vaulted ceiling. A soft beam of dawn-colored light pours through an opening above, reminding you of what you often forget: your ability to evolve beyond your past, your capacity to learn from every wound, your inherent permission to stand fully in your life. Take a slow breath in. Let it fall out with ease. Repeat softly as you exhale. My worth is not a negotiation. It is the ground I walk on. Take another smooth inhale. Whisper inwardly as you release the breath. I trust the voice within me that is steady, wise, and unhidden. The voice that has waited for my attention. One more slow breath in. Think warmly as you exhale. Who I am becoming matters more than who I once feared I was. Take a deep breath in. Let a long, soft exhale flow out. Watch the orbs ascend, not disappearing, but transforming, dissolving into warm light that rises toward the dawn, leaving your inner chamber bright, open, and free. As the last of the orbs dissolve into the dawn light above, the chamber around you begins to shift. The stone brightens, not with sunlight, but with a gentle, rising glow from the floor beneath your feet. Take a slow breath in, feeling this new warmth gather around your legs and hips. Exhale fully, letting your shoulders relax as the transformation unfolds. The Hall of Forgotten Voices expands, its walls stretching upward until they dissolve into a wide, open horizon. You are now standing at the threshold of a new place, the Terrace of Becoming, a vast elevated platform made of luminous glass, suspended above a slow-moving sky. Here, nothing hides, nothing echoes. Everything is revealed with clarity and compassion. Take a gentle breath in. Feel your ribcage widen as if your body recognizes this place as a home you forgot you built. As you breathe out, whisper inwardly, I step into the version of me who no longer folds to old fears. High above you, shimmering strands of light begin to weave together, forming soft, flowing shapes that ripple like fabric in wind. Each one echoes a strength you nearly forgot you possessed. Take another inhale, slow and full. As you exhale, say gently, I honor the strength that grows quietly inside me, even when I am not looking. One of the luminous strands drifts closer, unfurling like a ribbon made of memory. Inside it, you glimpse moments of courage, times you spoke up, times you kept going, times you rose again when you weren't sure how. Breathe in deeply. Let your breath anchor you in truth. As you exhale, murmur within, I give myself credit for the battles no one saw me fight. More strands float toward you, each one revealing a different kind of inner power. Your intuition, your patience, your resilience, your capacity to heal, your willingness to try again. Inhale slowly, allowing your chest to brighten with the light around you. Exhale with intention, releasing any disbelief that you are unworthy of growth. Softly affirm, I am the result of every moment I chose to grow instead of retreat. Take another breath in. Feel warmth rise through your spine. As you breathe out, say inwardly, I walk with the self I've earned through honesty, effort, and courage. Now the luminous strands gather above your head, forming a gentle canopy, a symbol of the identity you are choosing, the future you are shaping with every breath. Whisper inwardly as you inhale, I rise without apology. Whisper as you exhale, I belong in the life I am building. Open your eyes when ready, carrying this renewed presence with you, knowing that the heaviness that lingered has begun to release. and that you are always safe, supported, and luminous. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe now and join the R&R Story Meditation community to continue exploring immersive, restorative meditations designed to nurture your mind, your heart, and your spirit.